guys, so today my video is on the March month Oriflame order. Now I've got the first set, so let's get into it and see what's inside. So this is my 125 BP worth order, so let's see what's inside this. First one is the catalog. So next month's catalog I've got. So this is April month's catalog which was inside. So let's get in. So mostly this time I got nail polish and lipstick. Yes, let's see what's inside. So first let's get into the lipsticks that I've got. Okay, so this is the lipstick set which I got for this month. So this is a new launch by The One. So you can just see The One new launch. Okay, so I wanted to try this because it's this month's launch. So you can just see how cute the pack is, and the outer cover itself looks so trendy. So this one is Ultra Fuchsia, I think. Yes, I've got Ultra Fuchsia. Yes, that's the color, and you can just see the color. Okay, so hope now it's visible. Yeah, let me swatch it. Okay. Just see this pretty color, isn't it? So this is one I've got, and it is like pigmented. Once when you wear it, it's like pigmented. So later on it gets like matte kind of finish. So the next one is Ultra Botox. So let's see how does it look. Okay, this is kind of a red kind of burgundy color. Let's see how does it look. Okay, just see kind of red kind of look. Okay, so this is one. Next one is this is Ultra Red. So this is how it looks, so you can just see. Okay, so let's wash it as well. Okay, so you can just see this is kind of a pink, this is kind of a burgundy, and this is Ultra Red. Okay, so you just see when you apply it's kind of pigmented, but later on once time goes by it's kind of matte kind of finish, and it stays for 8 hours depending on your use. So mostly up to 8 hours it stays back. Okay, so this is my lipstick purchase for this month. Let's see what's inside. Then I got few nail polishes for myself. So I am a nail polish lover, so I got this color for myself. So this is Rich Gold Mine. So this color is Rich Gold Mine. Okay, so this is how it looks. And the next one is Blaze Peony. Okay, kind of pink kind of nail polish color. So this is Fury Red. So kind of good red color. Okay, so this one I've got, and this is Cashmere Rose. So I got this one as well, and this is Rosy Mocha. Okay, guys, this is gel nail polishes which is introduced with Oriflame for this month. So I got these. So when I get 2 nail polish, I get a top coat for free when during this month's offer. So I got these, and I got like 2 top coats free because I purchased 5 of them. So I'll just show you the top coats well. So this is the top coat which I got as zero price because I got 2 nail polishes with Ultimate Gel. I got this free for this month. So you can just see this is the top coat. Okay, so I got 2 bottles as offer because I got 5 sets of nail polish. So this is free for me. This month there is again a new product that is launched with Oriflame. Okay, that's with the eye shades actually. So it's kind of a pencil. You can see I have taken 4 shades of them. I think almost like 5 shades they have, and I've taken all 1 I have left. So I've taken the 4. So I'll just show you how does it look. So it's my first experience. I just got it. So you can just see this color is Desert Bronze. So all that you need to do is that you just need to apply on your upper lid of the eyeshadow, like an eyeshadow. Okay, so it's like a glossy kind of a finish. So maybe I can show you a swatch. Okay, so you can just see. So this is how it looks. So this is what is it? Desert Bronze. So just need to apply to your eyelids and it's done. No messy work and all. So this is Amazon Brown. Okay, this is Amazon Brown, and again let me swatch it, and yeah, you can see. Okay, so this is Amazon Brown, and this is charcoal black. Okay, so this is a charcoal black. So if you're going for a kind of a black finish for your eyes. So you can definitely go for this one. It'll have a good look. So this is kind of a charcoal black. Okay, so you can just see. So yes, let me swatch it. So you can just see it's just like jet black. Okay, so this is okay. If you want to give some dark kind of look for your eyes, definitely this is going to help. And this one, so this is flash rose. Okay, it's kind of a light pink, I suppose. Yes, it's kind of a light pink. So you can just see it's kind of a light pink. Okay, so these are the four colors, and there's one more with blue. So this one, if you're going to have some kind of, say, dusky look for your eyes, that black or blue dark looks, definitely this is going to help you. And people who are like new with eye shades, all those things, definitely this will help you to have a good finish. So this set, I got it. Here I got a few more things, that is the lip liner. So you can just see I've taken this is red, scarlet red. So this is the scarlet red lip liner. This goes with all the reds. And this one is magnific brown. So it's kind of a brown and burgundy kind of thing. And this is crimson pink. So this is kind of a pink. So lipsticks which are pink lipsticks, this will go better. So I'll just show one swatch for this. So you can just see, so you can just see the swatching. It's kind of a pink and sharp color you get. So always wear a lip liner. And this one again I'm going to show you. This is first one is the pink one, and this one is red. Okay, so this is a red color. You can just see jet red. It's nice bright red. And this one is the brown one. Okay, so this you can see. Okay, it's kind of a brown. So yes, this is my first purchase. These all like collate together. It's like comes around like 125 BP that I've completed for this month, and my second set is also coming in, which is wellness. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel, and of course tell all your friends about this as well. Thank you.